Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing absolutely well. In this video I'll tell you 5 main faults that lead our email to spam instead of users inbox. So without wasting any more time, let's start the tutorial. Make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you can also join our Facebook group and share to get daily updates. So number 1 is subject. Yes, email subject. When we do email marketing, email subject line plays the core role between open or ignore the email. Great email subject lines get more people to pay attention to you. You should keep the email subject line between 9 to 60 characters. 9 words to 60 characters. It should look attractive at first glance. Now I'm gonna introduce you to tools that will help you to make better subject line for your email marketing. Now number 1 tool is for subject line generator. You can make auto subject lines for your cold emails. Just select topic, type keyword, and here you will see all the possible subject lines for your email. Now here I'll put all the links in the description so that you can try yourself every tool. Now our number 2 tool will give you a score for your email subject line. How it is score out of 100, and the ideal score is 70. So that's mean if you get around 70 to 100 for your subject line, then it will be better to go with this. But if you get below 50 or 30, then you should avoid this subject line and go for the next better subject line, what will score up to 80 or 90. Okay. Spam links. Always make sure to avoid spam links in your email. For this, you can first identify the domain score. If it shows that very low domain, then it's better to move on a new domain or short link. But make sure that you do very less linkable text in your email body. So if you make unnecessary links in your email, so it may go to the spam box for that spam links. So just one link, one text link is enough for do email marketing. User inbox. So what happened? Usually when we do send emails with cold user emails, most of the time we see our email not reached in user's inbox, and it shows us that user's inbox is out of storage. To introduce you an amazing tool that will help you to get rid of unnecessary emails you get daily. Now, Sanebox. This is a tool that will help you to get rid of all the unnecessary emails, and if you are losing all important emails from your inbox, it may help you, and it's the best tool to sort all the emails. This is a AI based software that going to help you to analyze all the emails you open, close, or delete in previous time. So based on these actions, it will create new folders and sort each of the new email to the destination folder. So whenever you get any important email or unnecessary email, you will get separate notification for this, and it will save a lot of time for your day. Okay, and here's some more info you will get from their website or from their YouTube channel. If you notice, there are so many short videos, important videos you can follow. This will help you to understand better their tool. I'll recommend you to use their tool if you are getting unnecessary emails in your inbox and if you want to get rid of them. Now here's a most delightful thing is that you will get it for free without using any of your credit card. You will get it for 14 days free trial. Okay, hopefully you will get it. The link in the description also, you can check it out. Now our number 4 fault is to use too many graphics in our email, so it get large and it won't appear in user inbox if they didn't subscribe to you. So you should avoid making too many graphics in your email body. And if you ask me, I will tell you that you should go for text email instead of graphic email if you are sending your target first email. for email marketing. Now number 5 fault, what we do using the same IP or same domain for sending all emails. For this, if we send from Gmail or any public email provider to our target emails, so we can send up to 200 or 500 per day, but it may lose 50 emails. Why? Because we are using the same IP and we can't prevent it if we didn't rotate the IPs or emails SMTP. Okay, so for this you can use SMTP emails, SMTP email provider. There are a lot of SMTP email providers, and you can also go for different IPs. So there are too many good IP providers. You can get it from here. And if you're using any software for email marketing like SendBlaster, Atomic Mailer, or Mailboard, so you can use proxies for this. Now here, last but not the least, you should always try mail tester. When your email is ready to send, you should first send that email through this mail tester to see will it really appear in inbox or go to spam. So this way you will know that how and what email should you send for email marketing and how it's going to perform for your future. Now that's all today I want to share with you. Hope you understand, and if I do anything wrong or if you didn't understand anything, you can just comment below. I'll try to answer your all questions. Okay, see you in the next video. Have a good day. Thank you for watching this video.